What if I told you the giant glowing thing in the sky could destroy the modern world? It sounds like science fiction, but it is actually our reality. Let us look at the sun, the star that keeps us alive. At its heart, the sun is just a massive glowing ball of gas. It provides the light and heat that every living thing on Earth needs to survive. To understand its size, imagine Earth as a tiny marble next to a giant beach ball. That is how small our home planet is compared to the Sunday. We see it as a yellow circle, but that is just a trick of our atmosphere. If you were in space, you would see the sun is actually pure, bright white. So, technically, all those childhood drawings of a yellow sun lied to us. Did you know the sun is actually white? The sun is not just sitting there. It is a constant, violent explosion. Deep inside, it is crushing atoms together in a process called nuclear fusion. It is like billions of hydrogen bombs going off every single second. This energy travels across the void of space to reach us. It takes about 8 minutes for that light to hit your face. When you look at the sun, you are seeing the past. But this giant engine can sometimes get a little temperamental. The sun occasionally throws massive tantrums called solar storms. These storms send clouds of charged particles racing toward our planet. If a big one hits, it could wreak havoc on our technology. Imagine the sun simply deleting Wi-Fi globally. It could fry satellites, kill the internet, and shut down power grids. We have seen it happen before, like the famous Carrington Event of 1859. What would you miss most if the electricity went out tomorrow? Think about that for a second and consider hitting subscribe for more science. Even with all our technology, the sun remains a deep mystery. Scientists have noticed something very strange about its atmosphere. The outer layer is actually much hotter than the surface itself. That is like walking away from a campfire and somehow getting hotter. It defies what we know about how heat should behave. We are still trying to figure out why this happens. To find answers, humanity built a brave little robot called the Parker Solar Probe. It is currently flying closer to the sun than anything we have ever built. It is diving right into that mysterious, scorching atmosphere. We are literally touching the sun to unlock its secrets. It is a dangerous, daring mission to understand our own life source. Every piece of data it sends back changes how we see the universe. The sun is not just a light in the sky. It is a powerful, unpredictable, and beautiful engine of creation. It is the reason you are here right now, watching this video. Yet, it remains a wild, untamed force of nature. We are just beginning to scratch the surface of its power. As we zoom out from Earth, the sun looks calm and steady, but we know the truth about the chaos happening inside. Massive solar flares erupt, reminding us of its immense scale. It is a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos. We are living in the shadow of a giant that gives us life and could take it away. The star keeping humanity alive is still full of mysteries. We will keep watching, learning, and exploring its golden light. There is so much more to discover about our home star. Science is a journey, and we are just getting started. Thank you for joining me on this quick trip to the center of our system. Space is vast, but it is not as complicated as you might think. Keep looking up and keep asking questions about the world. The universe is waiting for us to understand it better. Subscribe for more simple science videos that make the universe easier to understand. Stay curious, and we will see you in the next video. Until then, enjoy the sunshine while it lasts.